You know, preparation is everything. In beauty, whether it's the preparation of your skin before you do the makeup, or whether it's the preparation of the hair after you've used the 5-step beauty products that we teach about in the Beautiful Hair line of a 5-step. But then what do? You've got to get it ready from that point to be prepared for heat, for styling, for molding, for shaping, for looking beautiful. And the one most important part is that there needs to be moisture and beauty put into this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section this hair out. This is you. You're going to section this hair out. You've just come out of the shower. You look wet, but you look good. Before you start a blow dryer, you've used step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the Beautiful Hair system to get a good foundation ready for a healthy, beautiful, proteinized hair. Now, I need to take a product and begin to build the surface of the cuticle laying in the direction that it flows. That means flat. I want you to think of cuticle like shingles on a roof. If that shingle is not going the right direction, you've got a problem, whether it's on your roof or on your hair. And the only way to get that done is by 2 things. An argan oil, which is not heavy, doesn't make it greasy, emulsifying it really good, almost warm it up in your hands, and taking it from the middle of the shaft, not at the root, whether you're wearing a hair replacement, hair extensions, or you're growing hair, you want to work from the middle of the shaft, the older hair, and right to the ends. Don't forget those ends are the oldest hair on the head and the most damage. It takes the most heat, it makes the most friction. Once you've done that, take again and section the hair away. A little bit more argan, or you may have enough on your hands, but get it emulsified and work it through and really just get it massaged in. Those bangs, you want them to bounce and flow across your forehead. Really work that in right to the ends. As you do that through the entire head, utilizing what's probably going to be the most important tool you have, which is a wonderful clip, utilizing a rat tail comb or a sectioning comb to get that hair split so that you can separate it, because typically, again, what happens to the consumer and not in the salon, unless the hairdresser's not doing what we've been taught, is that they're putting it right on the top. So the top has all of the product on it, but everything down below gets snarly, tangly, flat, and uncontrollable at times, or fly away. So again, with utilizing the Aquage silkening oil, you put that through the whole head. Now blow dry, or natural dry, or diffuse, or whatever the finish that you want that we've taught you, and we'll teach you in more of the tutorials coming up, is to get that finish now ready to go into the style that you want to look your very best each and every day. Remember, beauty begins within, and we want to keep teaching you how to create that beauty from inside out.